Welcome to a visual journey along the rugged and beautiful Oregon coast. This is the story of our August photography workshop, a week spent exploring some of the most dramatic landscapes the Pacific Northwest has to offer. We begin our adventure with this stunning pre-workshop photograph by our assistant Bob Hart, capturing a vibrant sunset over the iconic tree-topped sea stacks. Our first evening was spent at historic Heceta Head. The next morning, we found ourselves enthralled in the charming town of Florence. This cell phone photo from the river's edge highlights the dramatic cloud-filled sky as the sun began to rise. After relocation and a delicious meal, our group was ready to explore the stunning formations of Bandon Beach. Though the weather was cloudy, foggy, and quite windy, the mood was perfect for finding unique compositions. The windswept shores challenged us, but it also inspired participants to create captivating black and white images and focus on the intimate, intricate details of the beach. The next morning, Bandon Beach greeted us with calm and clear skies. The wind had stopped, and high clouds caught the early light, painting the sky with soft pinks and yellows. Our photographers captured some truly excellent images as the morning progressed. As the tide receded, the group moved out to the exposed rocks, finding and photographing vibrant starfish in their natural habitat. Our journey continued south as we relocated to Gold Beach and headed to the breathtaking Samuel H. Boardman State Scenic Corridor. The group split into two teams, each with a different vantage point to capture the famous treetop sea stacks. Both groups photographed into the best light of the day, continuing to shoot even after the sun had dipped below the horizon, creating some of the workshop's most beautiful golden hour images. The following morning was a photographer's dream. We returned to the corridor, and the group once again spread out to two different locations. A perfect fog began to clear as the day progressed, creating an ethereal and ever-changing landscape. Our participants were able to capture the sea stacks as they emerged from the misty scene, providing another incredible shooting opportunity. Our final sunset and sunrise sessions were nothing short of spectacular. We returned to the same area, where our groups captured back-to-back stunning sunrises and sunsets. The conditions were perfect, offering a great variety of compositions and light, culminating in a remarkable collection of images. We end our visual journey where it began, with another breathtaking image from our assistant Bob Hart. This beautiful sunrise serves as a powerful reminder of the incredible landscapes we explored and the memories we created. Thank you for joining us on this photographic adventure along the Oregon coast.